YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Maya Marie here. If you are brand new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so you can be a part of the Mayan team.
Yeah, get into it.
Okay, so I had posted this on social media, and I had done this a few days ago where I just tie-dyed some masks for fun, and I had a pretty decent amount of people messaging me asking me to do a YouTube video on this. So these are just what two of them look like that I did. And they actually came out really nice, and I brought a few colors with me. So I have red, yellow, I also brought this turquoise blue, and I brought this, it looks like a magenta color, or like a, I don't know, like a burgundy reddish type of color. So let's get right into it. I have gloves, and you always want to make sure that you wear gloves or some type of like protective gloves. All my stuff came from like this kit that I bought from Michael's, and you can literally buy the tie-dye kit anywhere. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wet all of these first. I used to do tie-dyeing, and I did it once the first time, and I never wet it. If you don't wet whatever you're tie-dyeing, the colors will not transform well enough. So now that we have like our wet canvas, you basically just want to start tie-dyeing. So my little method that I like to do is almost like a like I'm pinching it as if I was rolling it up into a cinnamon roll shape, like a swirl design. So you want to pinch the mask straight in the middle, and then all you literally want to do is just start twirling your right hand and forming like a crunched up swirl ball, if that makes sense. This is literally what it should look like. And don't worry if it's not perfect, because your rubber bands are going to be like your outline for your color. So I just like to put one rubber band straight across, and the way I do it is almost as if, think of it as if you're cutting pizza, and I'm just literally making multiple X's just as like a little outline. What I like to do is, since I like to leave some white on some of the mask, all I'm gonna do is just put color and a couple of these triangles, and then call it a day. I'm going to finish up the rest of these masks, and then I'll be right back for the color part. Okay, so now that I have like all of these little white mask balls, I am going to start the coloring. I'm literally just going to tie-dye one little corner or triangle like this. I like to do the opposite side from it, just so it can give it that cool white patch look without being too close together, because if you put the tie-dye color too close together, it's just gonna look like it's literally tie-dyeing the whole mask one color. Make sure to do both sides and not just one side. This is what it looks like, and I'm literally going to leave the rest white, so then when you open it up, it's going to look like what I just showed you guys in the beginning. Almost looks like a little popsicle. Guys, these are like super easy to do. They don't require that much like time or effort unless you're making a whole bunch for like a party or something. But I've seen people do them in pots, so then that way they're not sitting up here like hand dyeing the whole thing. So this one is red and yellow. Super easy, but it comes out so nice. So now I'm going to do this blue color, and then I'm gonna do it with the yellow. With one, I'm gonna do all the colors and see how this turns out. This one looks like a true tie-dye. And then on the inside, I'm literally just doing all red. So now that I'm done, what you want to do is you literally just want to let them sit like this for a good 12 hours so the dye can soak into the mask and it won't lift up so easily. So when we wash the mask, the color doesn't easily like spread everywhere. It doesn't easily come out. So I'm gonna leave this sitting here for 12 hours. And then as soon as that 12 hours is over, I'm going to unwrap these and then we're gonna wash and then they'll be all set to go to wear.
Look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh.
Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys on the next one.